Hello everyone, and thank you for joining Conference42 Python 2025. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping unified communications, creating smarter, more automated systems that enhance productivity and collaboration. We'll discuss specific innovations, their impact across industries, and what the future holds. Let's begin. All right, AI-powered call routing, which optimizing efficiency. So the AI-powered call routing uses predictive analysis to understand historical data like call patterns, agent performance, and customer interactions. This ensures calls are matched with the right expert, cutting down call transfers and improving resolution rates. By balancing workloads and matching skills in real time, support teams handle thousands of additional calls daily, improving efficiency. These improvements lead to happier customers with satisfaction scores jumping significantly higher due to quicker and more accurate resolutions. Moving to the next slide. Voice recognition and real-time transcription. So this would define enhancing documentation and efficiency. So the key points are AI speech recognition now achieves up to 95% accuracy, even in noisy environments or with multiple speakers, making it a highly reliable one. This technology creates real-time transcriptions, strengthening compliance and improving collaboration by generating searchable and shareable records. By automating manual transcription tasks, business reduce administrative overhead and allow employees to focus on strategic work. Moving on to the next slide. This slide defines AI-driven virtual assistants, which is automating tasks and boosting productivity. Virtual assistants powered by AI handle routine tasks such as scheduling meetings, managing emails, and organizing calendars. This automation has boosted productivity by 30 to 40%, as employees can now dedicate more time to creative and strategic activities. These assistants also improve user experience by providing 24/7 personalized support, adapting to individual preferences, and responding to remarkable accuracy. Moving to the next slide. AI in unified communications. It's a new era of communication. AI brings together voice, video, and messaging platforms, reducing silos and enabling seamless collaboration across teams and departments. Automated power by AI analysis communication patterns, cutting response time, and increasing productivity. As communication needs growth, cloud-based AI systems provide scalability to maintain demand while continuously learning and improving. Moving next, AI in unified communications and their key benefits. Why AI matters. So let's look into the core benefits of AI in unified communications. Number one, faster workflows through automation with a 40% improvement in efficiency. Second, enhanced customer experiences with personalized real-time interactions. Third, significant cost reductions, cutting operational expenses by almost 30%. Fourth, improved team collaboration across departments, driving innovation and agility. Number five, a competitive edge for early adopters of these transformative technologies. Going on to the next slide, use cases of AI across the industries. We are talking about the real world impact here. So let's suppose in healthcare, AI-driven transcription and translation services reduce documentation time by 50% to ensure over 99% accuracy, enhancing patient outcomes. In finance, advanced AI chatbots handle up to 90% of inquiries automatically, while machine learning it prevents fraud by identifying suspicious patterns in real time. Retail benefits from personalized AI recommendations and faster query resolution, leading to higher satisfaction rates and reduced support cost. Moving on to the next slide, implementation strategies. How do I get started in here? So implementing AI starts with a thorough evaluation of current communication system to identify AI areas of improvement. Next, focus on defining key use cases where AI can provide the greatest impact, such as tasks that can achieve over 30% efficiency gains or cost reductions. Pilot projects are essential. A 90-day proof of concept with clear KPIs can demonstrate tangible ROI. Finally, the scale of implementation across the organization through a phased rollout, supporting by training and changed management strategies. Moving on to the next one, AI in unified communications, future trends. AI is evolving rapidly. Advanced natural processing will soon understand context, tone, and intent with human accuracy in real time across hundreds of languages. Predictive analysis will become even smarter, forecasting communication needs, scheduling meetings automatically, and optimizing workflows. Personalized communication will grow with AI adjust styles and content delivery dynamically to boost the engagement. Enhanced security measures will ensure compliance and prevent threats, safeguarding communications across the platform. Moving next, AI in unified communications, the closing slide, a catalyst for innovation. So AI is a collaborative journey. AI in unified communications represents a fundamental shift on how we work and interact. By embracing these innovations, organizations are not only improving efficiency and satisfaction, but also redefining how teams collaborate and businesses succeed. The future is exciting, and this is just the beginning of what AI can achieve in communication. That's it. Thank you for your time and happy to answer any of those questions. Thanks again. Bye.